In the political instability following World War I, the German Workers' Party, also known as the DAP, was founded on January 5, 1919, in Munich by Anton Drexler and Karl Harrer. Initially more of a discussion forum than a political entity, the party held meetings in Munich beer halls where they criticized the new Republican government. When they decided to open their meetings to the public, the German military sent Adolf Hitler, a young corporal who had served in the war, to observe. Impressed by their ideas, Hitler soon joined the DAP. At the time, the party gave membership numbers starting from 500 to create an illusion of a larger following. Hitler's membership was number 555. His leadership and propaganda skills rapidly pushed him to the forefront of the party. Born in 1889 in Braunau am Inn in Austria, Hitler had aspired to be an artist but was rejected by the Vienna Academy of Fine Arts. During his years of poverty in Vienna, Hitler was influenced by the city's rampant anti-Semitism, which would later play a central role in his ideology. He moved to Munich and remained in Germany during World War I, fighting on the Western Front, where he received the Iron Cross for bravery. A mustard gas attack in 1918 left him temporarily blinded. The news of Germany's surrender devastated him, and he emerged from the war with a sense of mission to restore Germany's greatness. After the war, Hitler continued working for the military, observing various political groups. It was through this role that he encountered the German Workers' Party. His speeches soon attracted large crowds, and he became the leader of the party, which was renamed the National Socialist German Workers' Party, or NSDAP, in 1920. Hitler aimed to unite all Germans into a single state, and the party's 25-point program combined nationalist and socialist elements. In 1923, during the hyperinflation crisis in Germany, Hitler saw an opportunity to seize power through the Beer Hall Putsch in Munich. Although the coup failed, Hitler's trial brought him national attention. Sentenced to 5 years in prison, he served only 9 months, during which he wrote Mein Kampf, outlining the ideological foundation for the Nazi movement.